How to make a crew in Blox Fruits. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to create a crew in Blox Fruits. So first of all, you have to choose the Pirates option. Then look for the skull and sword icon on the left side and then click on it. You will see a name box where you can enter your crew's name. Next, you will need to add a logo. To do this, you can go to Roblox website and log into your specific account. Click on the Create option at the top. And if you're not taken to the Creator Hub, you can click on the Create button again or type in create.roblox.com in the address bar and press Enter. Once you're in the Creator Hub, click on the Store at the top and then go to Images. Use the search box to find an image for your logo. You can also click on the icon next to Browse Images to apply filters and choose your filters and then click on the Search button. After finding a logo you like, select it. On the side, you can also click on the Get Decal button, but this step is optional. Next, click on the address bar at the top, highlight the text, and then right-click and choose Copy. Return to the Blox Fruits and paste the decal link into the logo link box by pressing Ctrl+V or the Command+V on the Mac. Press Enter, and you should now see the logo appear in the box. Finally, click on the Create button to make your crew. Remember, you need to be level 300 to do this. Now you know how to create a crew in Blox Fruits. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.